Okay, so I'm inside Twin Lakes, and this is a 55 plus community. They're going to be building 2,000 home sites here. They only have about 600 of them done. So they're working on phase 2 right now. So it's a really good time to get in here, because as they build, they will appreciate, and usually the first people in, get the biggest appreciation. So this is a Captiva, which is 1,800 square feet. And 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and the builder here ranked in 55 places as the #2 builder in the U.S. for these types of homes, and it is a 55 plus community all the way through. The pavers come standard. There's a 7-foot garage door. As you can see, it's like an oversized garage. You got the air handler in the back there. There is no hot water heater. It is a tankless hot water heater. So yeah, plenty of room on the side here to put, workbench, garbage cans, and there's even room in the back for maybe 2-3 foot of shelving back there. So as we go through, as you can see, standard, there's going to be a keyless entry door, so that's good. Here's your nice entryway. As you can see here, you have a window for the garage, which is great, give you natural light. And this window is into the first bedroom right here, which also gives you a lot of natural light. So, keyless entry. And they're still kind of working on this, but you can see how tall the ceiling is. I mean, it's a 10-foot ceiling standard with this builder, and 8-foot doors standard with this builder. So as we go in, you can see straight through the back of the house, and their sliding glass doors are really nice. I'll tell you about them in a minute. But to the right, okay, 10-foot ceilings, bedroom #1. All the rooms in here have a lot of light. Now this is probably the one with the least amount of windows, and it's got huge front window, and it's got that side window right there. The windows are picture frame, which not all builders do. You don't have that picture frame molding around it, right? The windows are also double pane windows, hurricane resistant up to like 145 miles an hour. Although we don't get that winds. I've been living in Orlando for 26 years now, and we never had a hurricane with that. And I grew up down in South Florida, where we get a lot of them. We get hurricanes, but the wind just doesn't make it in here. We're, a full hour from the coast, so by the time to get the brunt of the hurricanes here, the winds are died down by the time they get here. I mean, I was here in 2004. I was living in downtown Orlando, and 2 hurricanes crisscrossed in the state. One from the east, one from the west, and the most winds we had downtown were it's a lot, 80 mile an hour, but these windows are 140 or 135 mile an hour winds, so you should be really fine with this. Also standard are the 5-inch baseboards. This is bedroom #2. As you can see, it comes in from the hallway right there, and on the other side of this is the living room. Now that wall right there could be made into French doors, or this wall could be made into French doors. That's an option with this home. So you would have a bedroom in the front, you have the master, and then this could be a flex office, or however you wanted to do it. But they could do that as a standard. Okay, so this tile is upgraded. So what tile is standard? So this is 18-inch ceramic tile, and it's laid in a custom pattern. We have this diamond pattern. It's called a custom pattern, and that's standard throughout the house. Okay, these people have decided to upgrade, and they put in some tile. And with this builder, you only pay the difference in in cost of material. Now, those doors right there are amazing. There's 4 sliding glass doors, and they all open to be a pocket, and there's that pocket right there. So this whole back could be opened up to your lanai. Okay, so this one does not have a screen on it, but you could have one put in. Again, all the windows are picture framed, which is nice, and they have real wood sills here, 5.5-inch baseboard. And what's amazing that I love about it is look at all those cabinets. Those are all 42-inch cabinets, and they like wrap around that wall right there. So you have all the space to store, and you even have some underneath that island right there. And then you have another pantry right there. So really nice. The crown molding is not standard. Okay, and look at the size of the back porch. I mean, the size of the back porch is really massive, I think. So I'm gonna open up these doors all the way. Really easy to do. Okay, this would make a great area to, you know, sit in and hang out in. And I tell you, from about now, which is mid-September, all the way to May, you can leave these doors wide open, man. It would be really nice. So it kind of really opens the space up. Whirlpool appliances, all included. Nice huge breakfast bar, or breakfast bar. Huge pantry. And then this is the master. Okay, trade ceiling comes standard. You have 2 windows over here, window on the back, and that long window on top. It really makes a lot of natural light in here. It's really bright and nice and bright in here. All right, so again, custom tile is standard throughout, but you can see it here in the master bedroom, bath. Okay, so here's your water closet, the toilet, go in there, and double vanity with, these people have chosen quartz, but you know, granite is standard, all right? A lot of space, huge shower with a nice sit-down area, and you even got a huge window up here, really nice. And something very interesting, other than double shower heads on each side, is you come through, and here's the master bedroom closet, and it is a really good sized closet for an 1,800 square foot house, right? I mean, it really has a lot of space. Cool thing is, you walk right out here, and you're in the laundry room. Look at that. So here's your laundry right here. So it's really a good feature that I haven't seen before. You know, and that's about it. You know, it comes standard with R38 insulation, 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, Lennox AC, has brick pavers, keyless entry, 5.5-inch baseboards, double pane windows, hurricane proof, up to 145 miles an hour. All 4 sliding glass doors open, and we get standard in here, custom tile, flooring, and tankless hot water heater. So give me a call, 407-227-4800, 407-227-4800. This is Jarrett West, thank you. Exit Realty, thank you.